Hi, Mrs. Jones with a quick tutorial on how to save your Read Poster template from the M drive to your H drive. You're going to start at the folder. That's where you always start when you open anything on a computer. You are going to click on the M drive. A lot of times this will be collapsed and you can't really see where the M is. If you just click and drag this over, you can reveal all of the drive names. Double click on the M drive, double click on middle school, double click on library, and then there is, as you can see, a folder called Photoshop Layered Read Posters, and they're basically by genre, so you can preview them by double clicking them, or if you know your book was a horror book or a fantasy book, you can just go ahead and save that template to your H drive. There's a couple of different ways to do it. You can right click and copy it, take it over to your H drive. I have an English folder here, which you should probably make as well, and I'm just going to paste that in there. They're kind of big files, so it does take a few seconds. While we're waiting for this to copy over, you guys are going to be using Photoshop on this project, which is a little bit more in-depth as far as photo editing goes. So I'll be posting tutorials periodically here so you can watch them and become a little bit more familiar with how the program works. Okay, I just want to go back to middle school, the M drive, the library folder, and just show you what one of these templates looks like. If I double click it, you'll see that the file extension is .psd. That's a Photoshop file, so you'll see as soon as you click on it, it opens up automatically in Photoshop. I just want to show you a second way to save it, and then we'll be done. I told you my computer was slow. Okay, so here's what the templates look like. Ta-da! Taking forever. All right, and basically, by the end of this project, we're going to be replacing this little wooden guy with your picture holding your book. And more on that to come. But you could also save it this way. You could click File, Save As. I know this is painful because it is so slow. And click Computer from the list. Double click on your H drive, which is the one with your name. If you see your first and last name and the letter H, you're doing it right. Double click on H, double click on English, and click Save. And this will pop up, and you can just click OK. And voila! That's two different ways you can save your Read Poster template to your H drive. Peace out.